Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You should start by confirming the app has camera and storage permission so the scan will save correctly. Once done, set the document on a flat, uncluttered surface and aim for bright, even light. This reduces glare and improves OCR accuracy. Now open your phone's scanner tool, Google Drive, Notes, or the built-in camera mode. Hold the phone about 6 to 12 inches above the page and frame the whole document. The app will usually auto-detect edges, so you can capture immediately. Once the app detects edges, you can let auto capture do the work for speed or tap the shutter to control timing if the document has fine details. After capture, make sure to crop corners and straighten any skew. These adjustments improve legibility and file size. Next, choose a mode. Color for images, grayscale for mixed content, or black and white for high contrast text. This choice affects file clarity and OCR performance. If you have multiple pages, keep the same lighting and add them in order. After adjusting pages, save the scan as a PDF or image and rename it so you can find it later. Choose a folder and enable cloud backup if needed. Once saved, run OCR or the app's text recognition to extract editable text, then proofread the result for any mistakes before sharing. If your scans look blurry or noisy, enable the flash or add more light. Stabilize the phone with both hands or a stand, and retake with manual focus if available. This is the single most common fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.